Step 1. Create the form. Use boards to create a square or rectangular form for the concrete to settle in. Choose boards that are straight and the correct width for the thickness of your slab. Be sure to reinforce your form to ensure that your boards will remain straight and level. Step 2. Fill the level base. The key to crack-resistant concrete is a firm base that drains well. After creating the form, fill the middle with gravel, no more than 6 inches from the top of your form. For a thickened edge, leave a 12-inch deep by 12-inch wide trench around the perimeter. Step 3. Reinforce with rebar. Lay out your rebar in a grid pattern across your form. Rebar will reinforce the concrete for added strength and crack resistance. Step 4. Pouring concrete. First, fill the perimeter trench with concrete until it's level with the fill base. Then proceed to pour the concrete in small sections, spreading out the concrete evenly with a placer. Don't fill the whole form or large sections because the mound of extra concrete you'll drag back with the screed board will be too heavy. Step 5. Initial leveling. A screed board can be a straight 2x4 that is dragged across the top of the concrete form to level the concrete. It may take multiple passes, if needed, to create a flat, evenly filled area. Step 6. Smooth surface. Start bull floating the concrete as soon as possible after screeding. The goal is to remove the marks left by screeding. 3 or 4 passes with the bull float is usually sufficient. Too much floating can weaken the surface by drawing up too much water and cement. A hand float can also be used for tighter spots and further finishing to the concrete.